Way they go. Sure na. Pass to Bean, rushing up his Balubaran's ride and moving up his winning hand down on the inside. Alice Wonderland and Dugus Charm is the early trailer. Winning hand, sure na, fighting it out for the lead. Balubaran's ride racing from the outside by the rails. Alice Wonderland and Dugus Charm, sure na, by ahead. Winning hand from the outside. Alice Wonderland racing in third. Balubaran's ride. Dugus Charm racing towards the last 250. It's now winning hand by some 2 lengths. Sure na, Alice Wonderland down on the inside. Balubaran's right. Dugus Charm winning hand by some 2 lengths. Sure na, Alice Wonderland. Balubaran's right racing from the outside. Dugus Charm and nearing the finish line. Winning hand and finally winning hand. Sure na, Alice Wonderland. Number 5, Balubaran's Pride and Dugus Charm.